In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get, use, level, and change your hockey here in Sailor Piece. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, there is 3 types of hockey: Armnet, Observation, and Conquer. Armnet is actually unlocked on the Snow Island, so you can go ahead and just teleport there if you want to unlock it. Once you teleport here, if you make your way over to the main area, you'll be able to get the hockey right over here. You are going to have to complete the quest line and buy it, and it's going to increase your damage as you do it. Up next, though, you're going to want to make your way over to the Observation Hockey, which is located on the Desert Island. This guy is going to be located right over here. This will let you dodge attacks, starting with a few dodges and increasing as you do level it up. After doing that, go ahead and make your way to Shibuya Station, and this is where the last hockey is going to be, and this is Conquer Hockey. It's by far the hardest to actually get because you're going to need both other hockeys, a special fragment, and multiple progression items, but it's going to be located right here. Talk to him, you'll be good to go. You're also going to be level 1500 in order to get it, but it gives you a pretty good damage boost and deals extra damage to your enemies. To level up your hockey, though, go ahead and just either for the Armnet, defeat NPCs, for Observation, just dodge attacks, and for Conquer, defeat NPCs. To change your hockey color, just use the hockey color rerolls from bosses or NPCs. Colors are obviously just cosmetic only, though. They don't actually do anything. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.